If you know your feet per minute in the duct and you have a rectangular duct, then you can use this formula to figure out your cubic feet of air per minute. You just take the area of the duct in square feet's the key here, times your feet per minute. So if you measured in inches, then you got to remember to divide by 144 to get square feet. So for a rectangular duct, it's just CFM equals area of the duct in square feet times feet per minute. A round duct's the same formula, but to come up with the area of the duct in square feet, if you're measuring in inches, then you got to use pi, so 3.14 times your radius squared divided by 144 inches. Then you just plug that into your formula, and that's your cubic feet of air in that round duct. A little side note here is if you're using a hood and you're reading a bunch of grills in a zone, and you need to know the CFM out of one of the grills that you can't access with a hood because there's a shelf in the way or there's some reason why you can't get the hood on there, then you can come up with a correction factor to help make an anemometer close to what your hood was reading. So how you do that is you just take the hood measurement on another similar grill, and then you take your anemometer, you're testing across that grill like 1 inch from the face of it. You divide it, your hood measurement on the other grill, divide it by that, and that's your correction factor that you'll end up plugging into your cubic feet of air from that grill. So it's still the area of duct in square feet times your average feet per minute times a correction factor. So if you have a round grill, it's an 18-inch grill, you'll take pi times your radius, which is 9 inches squared, divided by 144. You'll end up, as you go through these steps, you're going to end up with 1.76 square feet. But it's just nice to know that if you can't access a grill because of the hood, then you can come up with a correction factor. That way your grill should be pretty close to what you're reading on the other ones.